Welcome. Today I'm going to show you how to send a one-time viewed photo, also known as a view once photo, using the WhatsApp app on your PC, thanks to the latest update. This feature is perfect for sharing private or sensitive images, knowing the recipient can only view them once before they disappear. Let's get started. First, open the WhatsApp app on your PC and make sure it's updated to the latest version. Once you're in, head over to the chat where you want to send your photo. This could be a conversation with a friend, a family member, or even a group. Inside the chat, look for the attachment icon. It usually looks like a paperclip and is found at the bottom of the chat window. Click on it, and from the menu that appears, choose Camera. This will activate your computer's camera so you can take a new photo right away. Now, click on the camera icon to snap your picture. If you're happy with the result, it's time to make a few quick edits. Click on the Edit icon, which lets you crop, draw, or add text to your photo if you want to personalize it a bit. Once your photo is ready, look for the icon with the number 1 on it. This is the View Once feature. Click this icon to set your photo so it can only be viewed one time by the recipient. You'll usually see a confirmation or a small change in the icon, letting you know the feature is active. Finally, click Send. Your photo is now on its way, and the person you sent it to will only be able to open it once before it disappears from the chat, adding an extra layer of privacy to your conversations. With this simple process, you can share moments securely and confidently, knowing your images are protected. Try it out the next time you want to send a quick, private photo on WhatsApp from your PC.